Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Gala price prediction and Gala news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Gala in 2022. Gala Games aims to set a new direction for the gaming industry by giving players back control over their games. The mission of Gala Games is to create blockchain games that you actually want to play. The project plans to bring creative thinking back to games and give players control over games and in-game assets using blockchain technology. Players can own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and influence the governance of games in the Gala Games ecosystem. The Founders Nodes voting mechanism allows players to influence which games Gala should develop and which games should receive funding. In addition to buying NFTs for certain games, Gala Games also uses Gala, its own utility token. So far, Gala Games has released one finished game, Town Star, and an NFT collectible series, Vox. Since launching in 2019, Gala Games has grown to 1.3 million monthly active users and sold 26,000 NFTs, the most expensive of which was valued at $3 million. In the metaverse a couple of months ago, Snoop Dogg announced he bought a family of Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs and started talking about the Sandbox metaverse. Our sister site Newsk reported on the news. Snoop Dogg is launching himself into NFTs with 2 feet. A couple of weeks ago, the superstar rapper announced a partnership with the Sandbox metaverse. There, he will have his own piece of the virtual world. There will be Snoop avatars and other Snoop-inspired NFTs for sale. And he will even perform live, an event that's already selling early access passes. Snoop Dogg also recently released his latest album BODR, which stands for Back on Death Row. For the NFT portion of the release, he partnered with Gala Games, a blockchain gaming company. Through the Gala Music Store, people can buy a version that has 3 bonus tracks and goes for $5K. What's the catch? Well, for $5K you get NFTs for all of the songs. In a press release, Snoop Dogg said, "If anything is constant, it's that the music industry will always be changing. Blockchain tech has the power to change everything again and tip the table in favor of the artists and the fans, and we're going to be right at the front of the pack with this Gala music deal." So, to summarize, Snoop Dogg bought the Death Row Records brand and released an album titled Back on Death Row, just before performing on the biggest stage around, the Super Bowl. What a businessman. Maybe he's just the person to successfully mix Death Row and the metaverse. Users have full control over how to use it, but this token does not represent any shareholding, participation, right, title, or interest in Gala Games. The Gala token achieved an impressive gain in November 2021, and it has reached a record high above 80 cents on November 26. Gala is currently down more than 70% from its peak, and the risk of further decline is still not over. The US Central Bank increased interest rate, and the uncertainty of potential outcomes between Ukraine and Russia continues to worry investors. Risk-on assets tend to suffer in such conditions because investors look for safer places to invest. TC2355, the CryptoPunk NFT worth some United States $200,000, had also been donated and was now in the Ukrainian government's Ethereum wallet. Data from Slowmist, meanwhile, appear to show that combined Ukrainian government and NGO donations in crypto were actually closer to the United States $51 million mark. A number of the NGOs and associated charities accept donations in other altcoins. A further $0.2 million worth of DOT has also been contributed, per the data compilers, in addition to a single BTC donation worth United States $3 meters. This comes on top of a United States $10 meters donation from the crypto exchange Binance, as well as a donation from the FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried. But it is not just centralized crypto exchanges and their founders who are getting in on the act. One of the most popular decentralized exchanges in the crypto world, Uniswap, announced that it had created an interface that allows crypto users to convert all ERC-20 tokens to ETH and donate them to the Ukrainian government in a single transaction. The conflict appears to have escalated, with Russian forces claiming on March 2 to have captured the southern port city of Kherson. Airborne soldiers are also reported to have been deployed to Kharkiv, with a large convoy of military vehicles reportedly still posted outside the capital Kyiv. If you are looking for Gala price forecasts for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Gala a good investment? How much will Gala cost in 2025? Or how much will Gala cost in the next 10 years? Gala price prediction 2022. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Gala could cross 33 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2022. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2022 will be around 28 cents. Gala course prediction 2023. Gala will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Gala course will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Gala rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 47 cents. Gala, the average price forecast for the end of 2023 could be around 40 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Gala course forecast 2024. Galas have great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Gala, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of 67 cents. Gala is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of 55 cents, a minimum price of 53 cents, and a maximum price of 67 cents. Gala rate forecast 2025. It appears that by 2025, Gala prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be 78 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the maximum price of Gala could be up to 92 cents in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Gala rate forecast 2026. The current Gala price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Gala could reach $1.32 by 2026, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.10 for 2026, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2026. Gala course prediction 2027. The cost of Gala will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. Gala is expected to reach a maximum rate of $1.83 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Gala will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Gala will be between $1.52 and $1.58 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Gala ranges from $1.52 to $1.83 for 2027. Gala rate prediction 2028. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Gala will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2028, Gala is expected to peak at $2.63. The minimum bet could rise to $2.14 if the market turns bullish. Gala course prediction 2029. In 2029, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Gala will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $3.70 in 2029. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $3.21